If you're looking at Western Panama and you want a home with real usable land, this property in Sortová, Bugaba puts the focus exactly there. Almost 1.7 flat acres, fruit trees, garden areas, views toward Volcán Barú, and a 2-bedroom home already in place less than 5 minutes from downtown Bugaba. You are in the province of Chiriquí, about 30 minutes from David, around 45 minutes from Volcán, and about 1 hour from Boquete. The property has a quiet residential feel while still keeping you connected to several important areas of the province. The home has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with a familiar layout. Living area, kitchen, tile floors, wooden doors, louvered windows, and built-in wood cabinetry. At the front, the terrace opens toward the garden, giving you a shaded place to sit outside and enjoy the property. The lot measures approximately 6,861 square meters. The land is flat and open with room for gardening, planting, pets, fruit trees, or gradual improvements around the home. The property already includes fruit trees, ornamental plants, mature vegetation, and a small wooden structure that can work as storage or utility space. From parts of the land, you also have views toward Volcán Barú. With the home already in place and almost 1.7 acres around it, the next owner has room to live, plant, improve, and enjoy more time outdoors. Contact Casa Real Estate to request full property details or schedule a visit.